Belmy Cherry's here. Yes, I'm here in flesh and spirit and everything. Um, you already see what's going on, what's happening here on this side of town. Clock it in. Come on in, dive in, subscribe, join the crew. Thank you so much, my peoples. I'm still here. Mwah. Kudos to you all. Happy holidays. Happy everything that I was not here to tell y'all happy for. It's a beautiful day. We're going to go ahead and get an eye look going for the night. I'm using this Morphe Rose Frequency palette. I grabbed it from Ulta along with this Outer Spice. We're going to have them going on the lid today. Let's dive in. I've already prepped the eyes. We have our brows browing up today. These are the newest formulated, newest vibe Morphe has been giving us. I am long overdue with this, trying this, knowing how much I love Morphe. And it's now I'm grabbing it, girl. Listen, life has been lifing, but I'm not mad at what Morphe has going on right now. Look at this beautiful layout of palette. They have design on the lids now, on the packaging. We have things going. This is really pretty, this swirly rose situation. You won't imagine how simple this could be, just creating it, slapping paints and shades and swirling them around in the shape of rose. Oh well. And we do have do y'all see the M behind this rose? Is it just me? Do y'all see the M design into this rose for Morphe? That's dope. Anyway, we're not here for that. We're here to create an eye look. I'm here to give y'all a simple holiday eye look that you can grab from Ulta for the low. This is all good old Morphe. Morphe is not going nowhere. We're here to continuously enjoy Morphe. However, changes they're doing on the back end, that's another story. We don't care for that. We want good products. We want to enjoy ourselves within our products. So let's go ahead and do that. I grabbed me this small palette just for this gold shade on here. However, I don't think I'm going to create a gold shade. It's nighttime. I'm heading to work. I need to stop talking. We're going to get the matte shades on the eyes today. I'm going to give you a little nice rosy, bronzy situation going. Perhaps a little speck of a shimmer on the inner tear duct. I don't know. I don't know where we're heading with this look, but let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to go ahead and use this nice, fluffy, small brush to dispense our transition shade, which I'm going to grab from. These two palettes have similar shades, if you ask me. Oh, not quite. Not quite. Not quite. These look similar on the pen, but they swatch differently. I'm sorry. My bad. All right, let's go ahead and use this one from the small palette. This right here, all over the lid. We have in kickbacks now. It's not always a bad thing with the kickback, but look here already. Kickback is not always a bad thing. All right, you guys are seeing this. Okay, this does not take long to give you a nice blending effect. And that's that. And on this palette, we're gonna go ahead and add this on the lid. Or maybe this. I'm gonna put this one. I could use the same brush. Yeah, this palette, the big one has kickback as well. We're pressing that onto the lid. Y'all see this? It doesn't look, let me zoom y'all in. Do you guys see the pigmentation, the softening of this shade? And this is a very nice palette, if you ask me. I could use a smaller brush, especially if you don't have much lid room. But I'm just being lazy, using one brush. But I also want the shade to spread out effortlessly. So using a bigger fluffy brush is the best tool for that. Y'all see this? I'm so happy eyeshadow's coming back. It never went nowhere. I'm glad. Morphe did this bold movement, giving y'all shades that, yes, you've already had those shades, but not with this formula, not with this impact on the lid. I'm gonna use more fluffy but more pointy brush going into this one. The deep brown on here. It's like a deep mauvish brown. We're just gonna leave her right here on this outer V. So the lid or the eye look don't look too flat now. Just on the outer V. I'm not gonna push it inward. Which I could, but I'm not. Like this. If you've never done makeup before, which I doubt at this day and age, everybody's into makeup. 8-year-old girls are into makeup. So, but if you're trying a palette or you're trying eye look for the first time, this palette is the GOAT. Not even this palette. If this palette is giving us this, I'm sure all of the Morphe's formula, the new Morphe formula is out to get throats. Is coming with a bold statement. Let me go ahead and just going back to that same brush to blend out the edge with the remainder of what's on there. Talk to me nice. I'm gonna go ahead and there's multiple, I could tell the difference with these. The shimmers have different formula to them, like different finishes. Some are more pigmented or like more shimmers. I don't know how to explain it, but it's different. Let's add a little dab of that into my tear duct. I'm gonna go in with this one. Nice. I could guarantee you missing my brush will give you a lot more effect from the shimmers, but we're not looking for that. And this is a little crooked. Let's fix it. We're not looking for that, but just in case you were, it's there. I'm gonna go ahead and use a smaller brush. I want something for the under eye. I'm gonna go into this one here, this soft brown. Is she showing? I'm not seeing anything. Maybe it's not dark enough for what I need, but softly place that there. Add a little speck of that eggplant over here. It's a little bit. All right, I do have eyeliners. Did I get new eyeliners? All right, part of the eye look would not be concluded with some good lashes and mascara. So we also got from Ulta these pair of Max Stack mascara, primer, and a good mascara. We know of this. This would maybe my first time trying this. I might be lying. I don't remember, but I got me a fresh one, okay? Um, we're gonna put the primer on. We already know how my lashes be. No, this is a first time use. I would remember something like this if I had tried it before. The primer from Max Stack, I don't believe I've tried it. So we're gonna go ahead. And prime. From the way this is looking, I may not even put a face falsies on. Okay. Do I need to wait for a few minutes or two? What's the instruction? I don't know who follows instruction nowadays. Let's go ahead and put this on, which is a different one. I don't think I need to say anything. This is really nice. Before and after. Yes, they're crazy. They're throwing gangster signs, but they're showing the heck out of themselves out right now with these mascara and primer. And I'm growing to love my lashes, okay? If I don't love them, who will? Maybe they've just been left out and not got some good old love by their owner, and now they're just throwing tantrum. Maybe it's all of that incorporating into how they're behaving sometimes. This is the primer. I'm feeling myself. These products, this is the look. Let me go ahead and finalize everything. That's the eye look using these Morphe palettes. It's so stunning. I don't think I have Morphes on deck here. This is not what we've been given from Morphe. This is new. This is fresh. This is it. How can it get even better? How can it keep getting better from a product that's that's been giving us good products? But whatever they do in the lab, they've done it. This is really nice. I like their new formula. I just hope to have the 35 palettes back. Bring that back, Morphe, please. I don't care how much it may cost. You're giving us 35 pen palette of these type of products. I'll grab it. I'll buy it firsthand. All right, so that's the eye look. We're done with this fresh, soft glam situation. Mascara is doing its due with my lashes. I'm not putting no falsies on today. And here we have it. Hope you enjoyed this nice, effortless eye look from these palettes. Grab them while you can. There's different color range. I'll put it on the side for y'all to grab from Ulta. Different colors, different sizes, and you find a little bit of everything for what you're looking for. Okay? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and clock out from here, and I'll see you guys on another one. Subscribe if you haven't done so.